Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and to start with our first segment for Tuesday, 8th of July 2025, Nifty index opened on a flat note and failed to surpass the 25,500 marks, experiencing intraday swings within a narrow band of 90-point range. It remained confined between 25,400 to 25,490 zones, reflecting a tug-of-war between bulls and bears amidst a lack of clear directional cues. On the daily chart, it formed a small-bodied candle indicating indecision but managed to negate the pattern of lower highs seen over the past two sessions. India VIX was up by around 2% to 12.5 levels. Nifty put-call ratio increased to 0.93. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 25,000 to 26,000, while immediate range is in between 25,300 to 25,700. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net buyers to the tune of 323 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 1740 crores. FIIs index long-short ratio slightly decreased to 28.25%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest going forward, a sustained move above 25,500 could see an up move towards 25,800 levels for Nifty, while failure to hold may lead to weakness towards 25,222. Bank Nifty needs to cross and hold above 57,000 for a bounce towards 57,500, while a hold below the same could see some weakness towards 56,500. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Dabur, HUL, Cumin, CESC, Dixon, Delhivery, Reliance, BPCL, Apollo Hospitals and AB Capital, while some weakness could be seen in Havells, Sonacom, Syngene, Oprah Realty, ONGC and Patanjali. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.